Alright, let's unbox something game-changing for sales pros. Here's Mystrika, fresh from AppSumo's exclusive deal. First impression, sleek branding, clean interface screenshots. Let's dive in and see what makes Mystrika special. Inside the box, there's a quick start guide and promo code. Setting it up is fast, just a few clicks and you're in. Dashboard looks intuitive with clear navigation menus. I'm starting a new campaign to test its power. Adding leads is simple, just upload your list, no hassle. Now let's craft a personalized sales email together. The email builder is straightforward and actually fun. Previewing my message looks professional with zero effort. Scheduling follow-ups is seamless with smart automation. I'm already seeing how much time this will save. Notifications pop up when replies come in, super handy. Checking analytics, I see real-time reply rates. The engagement boost is obvious even after one day. Let's talk features. Mystrika maximizes replies automatically. It streamlines every step, outreach, follow-up, tracking. No more juggling spreadsheets or manual reminders. I love how it prioritizes hot leads for you. This means less effort, more meaningful conversations. Revenue impact? I'm already closing more deals. For sales pros or business owners, this is a lifesaver. Marketers will appreciate the engagement analytics dashboard. I noticed replies have doubled since using Mystrika. The automation frees up hours in my work week. It's not just about volume, but quality connections. I'm impressed by how easy it is to customize flows. If you're overwhelmed by manual outreach, this is for you. One warning, you'll never want to go back to old tools. The learning curve is minimal, even for beginners. Support is responsive. AppSumo adds extra value here. I recommend grabbing this deal before it's gone. Seriously, the ROI is obvious after just a week. If you want more replies and revenue, try Mystrika. Don't wait, AppSumo's offer won't last forever. Ready to boost your sales with less effort? Check the link below for the best Mystrika deal. Let me know your results after trying it. Thanks for watching this unboxing and review. Subscribe for more honest tech reviews and sales tips.